everyone, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and today is going to be a stamp making video. This is the design that I'm making. It's quite pretty and I'm going to put this on my piece of glass, and over that I'm going to put a piece of cellophane. It's gift wrapping cellophane basically. Put a ring on top of that, making sure that my cellophane is nice and flat. Put a little bit of tape down to make sure that this cellophane is flat and I don't get any wrinkles in it, because I can see a little wrinkle trying to appear and I really don't want any wrinkles in my cellophane. I'm going to get my gel, and I generally start pouring it in from the middle. And I want to make sure that there is enough gel in here that I don't get a dip in the middle, but preferably not so much that I'm wasting it. And now I take a second piece of cellophane and place it over the top, starting in the middle and just allowing it to fall to the outside. Now when I press my next glass plate on the top, there we go. I can see I've got a little excess gel, but a little excess is fine. Rather have a little bit too much than not enough, because if you get a dip in your stamp, then it's useless. And put it onto my lamp for 45 seconds. So pick it up, turn it over, and in it goes again. Right, at this point my stamp should be made. So I can peel it off of the glass, discard the sticky tape because I don't need that on there. Now my negative, which is cut out of vinyl and put on acetate, is able to be used multiple times. And so now I peel this back, revealing the design. So I've got to wash this out in warm soapy water, and then it goes back under the lamp for another 4 minutes afterwards to really make sure it's well and truly cured. The stamp has had another 4 minutes in a water bath under the lamp. To neaten up the stamp, it's just a case of cutting off any excess gel. Found a piece of scrap card. This is just a piece of felt. Because I've got a glass worktop saver here, it's probably going to be better off using something like that under it. And I just got some Memento ink. I think I've got that stamped up, and here we go. I've ended up with 2 of these stamps because I had to make the video twice. So I'm actually going to be sending this stamp out to some lucky winner. You need to be a subscriber and you need to make some kind of comment that shows that you have actually watched the video in the comment section below, and I will pick a winner. I will then announce who has won the stamp, and then you'll have 24 hours in order to contact me and give me your postal details so I can post it out to you. Now the other thing is, I've decided I have a landmark birthday this year. And okay, I might be trying to forget the number, but it's still an important occasion and I would like to celebrate with you. So what I'm going to be doing is actually picking comments at random at odd times and saying, hey, get in touch, I've got a present for you. And I'll be sending out some more stamps. So these are all stamps that I have designed and made and you will not find in the shops. So completely unique stamp. So if you want to have a chance of winning one, then watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, add likes, add comments, And you never know, your name might be drawn out of the hat. Thanks for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.